Hi, this is Jim Troth, Habitation Investigation, HomeInspectionsInOhio.com, here in a basement up in the Worthington area. As you can see, there's steel beams for reinforcement of the foundation. You can see here, if I put the light, you can see how the light does not hit the top very well. That's a good sign the wall has bowed in. But usually once you see the steel beams in the house, in the foundation is actually stronger than it was originally. So that's good. That usually is a good sign. If you're a home buyer and you see steel beams in a house, it's been fixed. It's solid. Unless there's any really strong indications it's continuing to move. Other than that, it is good. However, this house here, come over here, you can see where they reinforced this wall here though. If you look up here, that whole top course of blocks, I mean, it has really moved in, and the wall, it is bowing in. But over here, we go here underneath the basement stairs, that center piece of wood there, the center stringer, you can see how it is curving to the left as a result of the wall pushing in and moving the stairs off to the side. It's pushed off to the side enough where the studs here are really not completely resting on the block down here like it should have. So definitely some signs of movement here in the basement of this place. And you may wonder, what is the cause? The cause most certainly is going to be the negative grading that is on the outside of the house. Negative grading all along that side. The gutters are completely full of debris. There's some nice trees here, but the gutters are not working because they're clogged. So, and then on this side of the house, there's a patio slab out there, and the cement is sloping toward the house, so that is redirecting water toward here, putting pressure, and it's causing the walls to come in. And even on that side over there, there's some negative grading over there. So it's just a water accumulation. Water can make a fantastic amount of pressure on a house. So you really need to control the house. So that is it for now. There's also a little thing. Easy to fix. However, the washing machine, don't know why they disconnected it from going into the waistline. However, they have it routed so it goes to the sump pump, and then the sump pump then kicks outside. No, it should not do that. All gray water, anything like that, should be going into the waistline. Sump pump is storm water. That should go to the exterior, never to the septic or to waistline. All right, everybody. Thank you. Bye-bye. If you're looking for a home inspection, be certain to contact Habitation Investigation. Our website is HomeInspectionsInOhio.com. We are the most reviewed home inspection company in Ohio. We have well over 2,200 reviews if I add up the sites. So feel confident in referring us to your clients or use us for yourself. Bye-bye.